Hello everybody, I am Michael George. Today we are going to learn how to ask questions in Egyptian dialect. Egyptian dialect is the accent we speak in Egypt. We use it in our daily life in streets, but we don't write it. To learn more about dialect and standard Arabic, look at the description of this video. Remember, to ask a polite question, you can use these words. من فضلك, من فضلك, which means please. لو سمحت, لو سمحت, which means would you mind or please. ممكن, ممكن, which means is it possible. How means ازاي, ازاي. When means امتى, امتى. Where means فين, فين. Why means ليه, ليه. Who means mean, mean. What means ايه, ايه. How much or how many means كام, كام. What is the cost of means بكام, بكام. If you want to start a question using a helping verb, start it using the word هل. For example, do I means هل أنا. Do you means هل أنت. Does he means هل هو. Does she means هل هي. Do we means هل إحنا. Do they means هل هما. There are also some useful words that you can use while asking questions. I need means أنا عاوز, أنا عاوز. Tell me means قولي, قولي. Help me means ساعدني, ساعدني. Give me means اديني or هات or هاتلي. اديني or هات or هاتلي. Take means خد. Now let's ask questions. لو سمحت, فين الشارع ده. لو سمحت, فين الشارع ده. Which means excuse me, where is this street. Remember, ده or دي means this or that. Il or al means the or an or a. شارع means street. You can also say how can I reach this place. ازاي اروح المكان ده. ازاي اروح المكان ده. ازاي اروح المكان ده. Remember, اروح means reach or arrive. مكان means place. Now we learned how to ask questions, and to understand the answer you should know the meaning of the following words. امشي means walk or go. على طول, على طول means along. امشي على طول, go along this street. حود means turn. اليمين means right. اليمين means right. شمال means left. حود اليمين means turn right. حود شمال means turn left. الناصية means corner or the corner of the street or the cross of two streets. We means and. بعد means after. بعد كده or بعدين means then or after that. في means in, but it means then while describing streets. For example, امشي على طول وبعدين حود لمين. امشي على طول وبعدين حود لمين. امشي على طول وبعدين حود لمين. Walk along this street, then turn right. Look at the description of this video if you want to learn more about asking for places and streets, or if you want to ask questions in standard Arabic, not Egyptian dialect. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.